Join me as I dive into the challenge of mastering SEO for e-commerce websites in 2024 and see if I can boost my online store's visibility. SEO is crucial for e-commerce websites. It's the difference between being visible to your target audience and being lost in the vast online landscape. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can increase your online visibility, drive more traffic, and ultimately boost sales. Many e-commerce websites struggle with SEO. With millions of online stores vying for attention, it can be tough to stand out. Moreover, algorithm changes can be unpredictable, and optimizing product pages can be a challenge, especially when you have thousands of products. Additionally, with the rise of voice search and mobile shopping, e-commerce websites need to adapt to changing user behavior and search patterns. And to top it all off, Amazon and other giant e-commerce players seem to dominate the search engine results pages, leaving little room for smaller players. Many e-commerce websites also struggle with thin or duplicate content, which can lead to penalties and a drop in rankings. Furthermore, slow website speeds and poor mobile responsiveness can also hurt your search engine rankings. And let's not forget about the importance of creating high-quality, keyword-rich product descriptions that appeal to both users and search engines. It's a complex puzzle, but solving it can make all the difference in your online success. In 2024, e-commerce SEO is all about creating a solid foundation, and that starts with keyword research. You need to identify the right keywords that your target audience is searching for and optimize your content accordingly. Technical SEO is also crucial, including optimizing your website structure, meta tags, and alt tags. Content optimization is also key, including creating high-quality, engaging, and informative content that resonates with your audience. And let's not forget about the importance of mobile friendliness, with Google's mobile-first indexing becoming the new norm. One key strategy that can significantly boost an e-commerce site's SEO performance is focusing on user experience. Google's algorithm is designed to reward websites that provide a great user experience, including fast page speeds, easy navigation, and high-quality content. By prioritizing user experience, you can increase engagement, reduce bounce rates, and ultimately, improve your search engine rankings. Furthermore, user experience can also impact conversion rates, with studies showing that a 1-second delay in page load time can result in a 7% reduction in conversions. Another key insight is that SEO is not a one-time task, but rather an ongoing process. With algorithm changes happening frequently, e-commerce websites need to stay on top of the latest trends and best practices to stay ahead of the competition. This includes staying up to date with the latest Google algorithm updates, adapting to changing user behavior, and continuously monitoring and improving your website's performance. By prioritizing user experience, staying on top of the latest SEO trends, and focusing on keyword research, technical SEO, and content optimization, e-commerce websites can significantly improve their SEO performance and drive more sales in 2024. Remember, SEO is a long-term strategy that requires patience, persistence, and continuous improvement. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today about SEO for e-commerce websites in 2024. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about digital marketing strategies, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic.